Having energy independent, I think for me it is important that it helps the environment in a way that they, to minimize the carbon footprint, but also financially, I think as all the utility is growing or getting higher, is to be able not to depend on that down the road for myself and my wife and my family. Right? To power the house with solar is, like I say, I want to have the least amount of utility costs when I'm retiring, right? So I want to minimize that upfront cost. So I can afford it now, so it's almost like an investment for me to do that now, and then later on I will not have the bill associated with the power. When did we start looking into getting solar to my home? It's one of those ideas that I always had. I always liked concern about efficiency, saving utility. It just, the opportunity just came out with the government grant program, and the timing was right for us as we are a stage in my life that having some investment in the future is one of those areas that the timing was right for me. So, working with Chris Megan at Execon, I find that the whole experience was very educational. He's very caring about, passionate about the renewable energy and solar. So even though I did a lot of research about renewable energy and everything, he actually helped me make my decision, sizing the array and different options that the Execon offer, and how also the government grant applied to the consumer as well. So I think overall the experience has been great. They've been very responsive to my questions and concern over the whole process. So I feel that their level of professionalism is great, and they're very knowledgeable about solar panel. They're passionate about renewable energy. And the one thing that also made me feel a lot more comfortable as well is that the Execon team used to work for a roofing company as well. So they understand my concern about make sure that it's not extra holes on the roof, and then if that is, then what the approach in sealing them. So that made me really feel good, especially since I just got recently a new shingle installed on my roof, right? So that was a couple of concerns. So their level of knowledge on installation and the recommendation on sizing is just phenomenal. So it was a very pleasure to work with them on these projects. So, my name is Michael Moy. I was born originally from China, mainland China. Immigrated to Caracas, Venezuela when I was 7 years old. And then I immigrated to Canada when I was in mid-20s. So I've been in Canada and know the winter very well over the years. I have the solar panels installed since this summer. So far it's been great. The production, I can keep track on the production with the app all the time. And I got my first build, and it was great. Like it cut my build into half right now, actually. Even though the late in the fall, the sun was not at its peak, but already can see the benefit of the solar system.